Hi there, my name is Neander Reed, and this is my new book, Sight Reading Adventures. This is available on Amazon. So the idea behind this is to make sight reading a little bit less daunting, a bit more exciting. So this is to help students who are going from initial grade to grade 1. It helps strengthen basically everything they've learned from whatever method book they're using. So it just helps to sort of revise all of those concepts like sharps, flats, all that sort of thing. There's rhythm practice included, and there's also some improvisation, so ideally to make it a bit more interesting and a bit more fun when you are doing sight reading, something to aim towards. Yeah, there's also mini theory as well, because if they learn theory, it strengthens their note reading if they understand what they're doing. Okay, so this is supposed to be like a nice relief if they're doing initial or grade 1. It also interacts with the YouTube channel, the Active Learning YouTube channel, which has helped over 200,000 people so far. And there's a rhythm, interactive rhythms and stuff that they can do. So when they are learning the rhythms in here, you can actually say to them, okay, this is the video that you need to go listen to if they're struggling with rhythm, which is a big problem with students. Okay, so yeah, so it's available now and it's on Amazon. I'm really excited about this because I think it's a really important teaching resource. So I hope you get your copy now. It's on, like I said, it's on Amazon. Thank you.